Hello guys and welcome back to Nature Birds, and today I have Mr. Trailmix here and he stole my cracker. As you guys can see, I've got all this cracker and he stole part of it. That is just really selfish of him. So he just really loves his crackers. Yeah, see, Trailmix want a cracker. Trailmix want a cracker. Yeah, Trailmix want a cracker. Good boy. Bobby, Bobby. Trailmix love his cracker. Okay, Trailmix is coming back for more. Come over here. Look it, come over. Bobby? Yeah, there you go. So thank you guys for watching today's video and hope to see you guys in the next. Bye!